And we're back, part 2 of our SketchUp modeling of a floor plan for our ranch. So far we have our foundation and our exterior walls, and now we're going to finish up here with our floor plan and draw our interior wall layout. All right, so if we look at what we got here, we have a bunch of dimensions. Some of the dimensions are missing. Reason being is got this off the internet. They want you to buy the plans, so they kind of just give you a little teaser here on the size of things. But we have enough to finish our little reproduction of this. Okay, so I'm going to start over here on the left side with these bedrooms here. Closets will be the remainder inside, and we'll start moving. No, it looks like we won't have those. And we'll move the other way, I guess. All right, so over here, our bedrooms are 9 foot 8 inches by 12 foot 2 inches. All right, so I'm going to be over here. I'm actually going to switch to my floor plan layer. I'm going to draw this off in the distance somewhere. So I'm going to click on my top-down view, hold shift, pan over. I'm going to draw this right here. And I'm going to start by drawing the full rectangle again and getting my offset inside. So I'm going to draw this one. Remember, it was 50 feet, comma, 28 feet. Enter. There's that rectangle, spacebar, press pull, offset, that guy in 6 inches. Enter. Spacebar. So now I'm actually going to delete my exterior wall, the one on the outside. So now I have my interior layout. So if you think about that, this is everything that's left on the inside of this house here. So everything that's in the white space there, I've made that rectangle. So now that corner is where I'm going to start snapping the corner for my rooms. So back over here, our first room in that top corner, I'm still in my floor plan layer, 9 foot 8 by 12 foot 2. Rectangle, start in this corner, come down this way. So let's double check our dimensions here. It is giving us our Y dimension first for some reason, right? Yes, it is. So we need our 12 foot 2 inches, comma, 9 feet 8 inches. Enter. Beautiful. Spacebar, offset this guy out. We offset them out 4 inches. That's feet, inches. These are interior walls. They are 4 inches thick. So beautiful, beautiful. Zoom in, spacebar, and now you can start cleaning up and get rid of some of these outside. I want to keep the connection point to that because we'll press pull those up. I'm leaving that like that. All right. Why is on edge frozen there? Who knows? Next rectangle down here, click up. Is giving us the same Y direction first. That's fun of them to mix things up on us. I'm looking down the bottom right there. 8 inches, comma, by 9 feet. Oopsies. 9 feet. 9 feet. 8 inches. Let's, whoopsies. I did mess that up. All right, try again. 12 feet, 2 inches. Got it this time. By 9 feet, 8 inches. Enter. Did it. First try. Offset this guy. Do it to the outside. 4. I don't have to type in numbers because it defaults to inches. Shift, pan down, spacebar. And now I'm going to delete the stuff on the outside. So I'm just left with what's going on the inside. And look at that. We have the 2 rooms. They didn't give us the dimensions for the closet on the inside, which is fine. We don't need to know that because it's just what's left over. So whatever our spacing is between, we'll use as our dimensions for our closet. But let's go ahead and throw that closet in there real quick. Looks like it's split evenly down the middle. You also notice I'm skipping door placement right now. We'll worry about that later. Let's just get the walls in. So I'm going to just draw a line now. I'm going to connect endpoint to endpoint because it goes continuously down. And I'm mousing over this corner just so I know where to click. But if I zoom in, I can delete the little dudes on the inside. Little dudes on the inside. Gone. So now when I do a line, we'll get a midpoint. But technically our midpoint's not our full thing, right? So if I do midpoint down here to midpoint, we need to actually go over 2 inches in both directions. So on this way, I'm going 2, enter, and now I'll get an endpoint and go up. Beautiful. And then go this way. 2, enter. I'll get an endpoint and go up. Beautiful. Spacebar, click. Right, I had our midpoint before, and we needed a 4-inch. Whoopsies. We needed a 4-inch wall in between it all. So if I knew my midpoint, I know my 4-inch walls goes on both directions. So we have our closet for both bedrooms, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and our closet between them, right? Good work, team. We don't have our dimensions for our utility / laundry room and our bathroom and then hall closet yet. We'll get that from working backwards, right to left now. Let's do the master bedroom, scoot that over, great room, dining room, kitchen, and we'll be done. All right, so I'm still in my floor plan tag, which is great. I want to be. And then I will make a copy of for interior wall. So let me pan over to this side. I do that every time. Different software movements differently. Fun. So our master bedroom is 11 feet 6 inches by 15 feet 4 inches. So rectangle, click, drag up. Now what's it doing to us? This time it's going correctly. This time it's giving us our X direction. I don't know why it's not consistent with that. In the bottom right, I'm just double checking which one's moving. This time I'm going to type in my X value first. 11 feet 6 inches. I could have typed in 11.5, right? All these I can do in decimals. Comma 15 feet 4 inches. 4 would have been 1/3 of a foot. Enter. So there is our master bedroom. Space bar. Do offset this guy out. Master bedroom interior walls 4 inches. Enter. Space bar to get back to a regular mouse pointer. And now I can delete my stuff on the outside. Delete. Master bedroom. Perfect. Now, whatever this is, it's just going to be our bathroom. I don't think it's going to come out exactly if you did the math and double check this on here. So I'm just going to draw the line out. It doesn't matter, right? This is us learning to make something semi-correctly, right? Looks good though, right? There's our whole master bathroom. Big bathroom. It's bigger than the other bedrooms. Don't tell anybody. But let's erase the little notches in between. And you're left with that. There's our master bedroom and master bathroom. There are some like closeted areas, right? There's master bedroom closets, it looks like on the floor plan. And they tag out, but we'll worry about that once you place your tub and your sink and everything, and then you'll have the remainder be closets. That's something I will let you guys choose and manipulate how you'd like. But let's, we really only have like a couple more walls left. This one here for the kitchen. Where's my highlighter? There it is. Right here. Don't give us a dimension, but it comes out continuing from our split between our master bathroom and bedroom. So I'll pull a wall out. We'll make it whatever it may be. Let's just see what numbers look good. So I'm going to go over here, move this out. I'm going to just click on that point. So I'm doing an actual measurement from this point out. Looks like, if I zoom out, look at that picture. I'm just going with 6 feet. Let's just go with a 6-foot wall coming out of there. Beautiful. Go down. Look at snaps to that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Did all the snaps for us. Spacebar to get to our regular pointer. Click, click, delete. All right. So we have the wall coming out, or whatever it may be. I'm going with 6. If you start designing your kitchen and you want to change it, go ahead and change it. So the last thing we have left is our break over here for our utility wall and bathroom down here. And this is where those walls are a little thicker. I mentioned that in the part 1, that some of these walls on the inside are a little bit thicker. And the reason being is they have plumbing in it, right? There's pipes for drainage and water. Those pipes are 4 inches thick. If we have a 4-inch wall, our 4-inch pipe's not going to fit inside of it, right? So if you'll notice, the dryer and washing machine both washing machine takes water. And so it has a drain pipe. And our sink and shower / tub over here takes a drain pipe, and it's over here. This over here, kitchen, sink, and dishwasher, already up against the exterior wall. You can throw in your 4-inch pipe right there. But over here, these are inside the house. We need wall thickness a little bit thicker to hit those over there. We don't know exactly where that goes, though, but we can base it off of our great room placement. So let me mark these off here. We did, I guess we did. Kitchen, it's where it is. But great room. So this measurement here, this 21 feet away from the wall we just drew, is the face of our other wall over here. So if I go back over here, we can do this a couple ways. We can just draw a line on top of it and go 21 feet over. We can use the measure tool. So if I go here, go out and type in 21 feet, enter, it doesn't do anything. I'm just going to draw a line. Click here. I'm going to go out. I'm going to go out 21 feet. Enter. There, that point there is the base of our wall. So I'm actually going to go down here, go like this. The bathroom, though, the first one, is a continuation out from the bedroom, but there's a little notch, and that's called a door jamb. And a door jamb is normally 4 inches on both sides. This door is actually facing the wrong way. This should swing against the closet. This one should swing against the closet. Oops. But 4, door, 4, and then's our wall for the bathroom. So our door normally is 36 inches. We'll say it's a 3-foot wide door. So that would mean 36 plus 4 plus 4, 40, 44 inches. 44 inches away before we get our first wall there. So that's actually coming from which point? That's coming from, we're going to start that wall right here. I did the 4 inches, then yeah. So it's going to, I'm moving my mouse over. I'm getting connection point on edge, and then I'm going to start moving down. And I already said it was 44 inches. Enter. So somewhere on here, I'm going to get endpoint. Endpoint. There it is right there. Green endpoint. This is the point where our wall for our bathroom is going to come out. And it's going to come out to here. I'm moving the mouse. Moving the mouse. Not giving it to us. I went past the point, so I now can draw a line here up. There you go. So our bathroom wall, exterior wall, face of it in our dens here. This is the front face over here. It's a little messy, a little confusing. Can you even see the line on there? Jeez. Is right there. All right, so what has to happen for us to clean this up? Well, first of all, let's get rid of that guy. And this is our exterior face of that wall for the bathroom. So I made the corner, right now I just drew this corner over here. So this wall, we actually can offset, this is, well, 6 inches, but you can't offset a closed or a line because SketchUp. Let's just carry this line down, straight down to our wall. Beautiful. I'm going to now delete just that line. And now I can draw another line here that goes over 6, enter. There's our endpoint, go down for our bathroom. There it is. This one now, though, interior here is just 4 inches. So I'm going to move down. See, that's at 6 inches because that's the last thing I typed. But 4, enter, and now I have that there to there. Spacebar, click, delete. Bathrooms in place. Right? And then there's a closet wall going up, and then we have our full distance over. So that looks like the closet is lined up with this over here. So we can carry that over and carry that down. This is 4-inch walls all the way around. How are we doing on time? 13 minutes. Fun. I already forgot what wall it was. The top one. I'm going to carry this one out to our point here and get our back wall down there. So I'm carrying this out. I don't know why it's not giving me an extension line there. To there. I went past the line because I'll just drag that one up. L for line. Up. Beautiful. From this point, go over. I don't want 6 inches. I want 4. Look, it gave me 4 because that was the last thing I drew. That goes there like that. And then from here down, 4. Look, it gave me 4. But how far over does it go? Whoopsies. We got to figure that out. The information we have is our same thing with the door jamb stuff again. So how wide is this? We have our 4 inches. Let's go 36 inches. Is that going to be 36 inches? Sometimes bathroom doors are smaller, but let's just pretend everything's the same size. And then another 4 inches. So that's another 44 inches. So if I'm back in my drawing, I can do a line from here. I'm going to go over 44, enter. There it is over here. And I just go up to there, spacebar, click. We now can delete that, and then we just need on here over 4 inches, enter, endpoint down to there, spacebar, good work team. We now can delete some of these other things we have going here because they're just all walls. All right, we have our bathroom now. We'll throw in doors later. We have our hallway closet, throw in walls later. Last thing we need is up top here, we have the laundry room. All right, so our laundry room though, information given is it's in line. Look at that, it's in line. And we have our opening. We need our another 36 inches plus our 4-inch jambs to go down to our other wall. So the same thing's happening over here. So we know where our thickness is for our wall, and then it lines up with the other one. Almost done, and then we can move things into place. I hit the wrong button again. All right, so from here, I deleted that line, of course, but I'm going to go from here up 44 inches, enter. I have an endpoint now. I'm going to go over, just going to keep drawing it over until I have a point. L, I'm just going to carry this one straight all the way through. Enter. So this wall, though, just like before with our bathroom, is going to be 6 inches on this side. Why is it going to be 6 inches? Because we have our washer and dryer, need drainage 6 inches. So this time, this wall here, over, I'm going to go over 6, enter. There's our endpoint. Pull that up. Perfect. This time I'm going to go up. This time only 4 inches, enter. There it is. To there. Perfect. Spacebar. Delete, 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 and we're done. All right, there is our floor plan for our ranch. So what do we have to do left? We have to just copy this over and move it onto the same plane. So we're in our floor plan layer. I'm going to leave it as floor plan. I'm going to highlight this whole thing. Control C, zoom out a little bit, Control V. I have a second one. That's what I want. I'm going to paste it there. Spacebar, click away. So now I'll highlight this. You'll notice it says floor plan. I'm going to change the tag for this one to interior walls. So now we have 2 separate things. I click here, it says floor plan. I click here, it says interior walls. Perfect. That's what we want. I'm going to now highlight. I'm going to move, and I'm going to move by this corner here because I can see it. I'm going to orbit a little bit, make sure I'm clicking on the same point down here. Click. Click away. Spacebar, spacebar, spacebar. So now that's placed where we want it to be placed. Before I move this other one over as well for our interior walls, let's pull up our walls. So I'm going under offset, press pull. Now I just want to click on the walls, and you'll notice the whole half is highlighted. Perfect. I'm going to pull up how far interior walls. I'm going to put 8 feet ceiling height. All right, 8 feet in your room. Enter. Go over here to this wall, pull up 8 feet. Enter. Perfect. Spacebar. Highlight everything. Everything's highlighted. Move command from our corner. Move this over. Now the reason we have these as 2 separate things, you potentially are going to want to be able to turn off your interior walls. But look at us go. We are awesome. I have an extra line here. Deleting that. Perfect. All right. So now look what we can do. We can turn off our interior walls. Whoa. That's annoying. Well, we're close enough though. We're close enough that we have interior walls that we can now, if we click on interior walls and click on something in our interior walls, we can change the default material. So how can we change the default materials? Let's turn off our foundation. Let's turn off our floor plan. Let's turn off our exterior walls, and we're just left with interior walls. If I highlight everything here, we can make the default material, it's walls, right? It's just white sheetrock. Let's try that one more time. Probably because it thinks, probably thinks we're inside the box. Leave it be. It's fine. We're going to be painting all the walls anyway. But let's turn everything back on. And so far, we have our floor plan for our house. You owe me a screenshot of that. Make sure I see your tags and isometric view with your walls pulled up. That's all I need to see right now. All right. That's it. 20 minutes. Sorry it took so long. Deal with it. Good luck. Have fun.